Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make white Mexican cheese dip. So first things first, we're going to need white American cheese. Our grocery store didn't have blocked cheese, so we just got singles, which is perfectly fine. If you do get a block, just make sure you cut it up into smaller portions. We need 3 jalapenos and whole milk. Make sure it is whole milk because any other milk won't work. So we're going to take our jalapenos and cut them up into tiny little pieces. This is what they should look like, and once you have them all diced up really nicely, we're going to get our milk and bring it to a boil. Once the milk is boiling, we're going to slowly start adding in the cheese. Make sure to keep on mixing it consistently because milk burns very easily when it is boiling. Now once we get all the cheese melted, we're going to go ahead and add in the diced up jalapenos. Mix it up real nicely. You see the consistency isn't too thick, it's not too thin, it's just perfect. Now there you have it, Mexican cheese dip. I'm also going to show you how to add in pico de gallo to give it an extra little flavor. So we're going to take some onions, cut them up. Also going to do a tomato, a jalapeno, and some cilantro. We're also going to add kosher salt onto the pico once it's all cut up real nicely, and some vinegar. We're going to go ahead and mix all this up real nice and then add it in to the queso. Mix it up nicely and then go ahead and add some up top just to make it look pretty, and then enjoy. Now we can also add chorizo, which is like Mexican sausage. This is the chorizo that I used. Most grocery stores have this kind. Once it's fully cooked, you go ahead, add it into some queso. Mix it up real nicely. And now this is actually called choriqueso. So once you have this done, there you have it. Just another little variation of what you can do with Mexican cheese dip. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.